Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murhari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain tangents normals problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. The slope of the normal to the curve xy values are given at theta equal to pi by 2. The slope of the tangent. Okay, we have the slope of the tangent is m dy by dx. The slope of the normal is minus 1 by m. Okay, the slope of normal is minus 1 by m. First we have to find the slope of tangent dy by dx. So derivative of y value given by derivative of x, a into theta minus sin theta. In this a constant, differentiation of 1 0, differentiation of cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, this whole divided by denominator a constant, differentiation of theta 1 minus differentiation of sin theta cos theta. Okay, the differentiation with respect to theta, a get cancelled, so minus into minus plus sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. What is this m value? The slope of tangent. The slope of tangent. Okay, this is equal to m is equal to, with at theta is equal to 90. We have to find the slope of normal. Okay, at theta equal to pi by 2. First we have to find m value, sin 90 by 1 minus cos 90. Sin 90 value 1 minus cos 90 0. This is 1. Okay, this is slope of tangent. What is required? The slope of normal. The slope of the normal, this formula is minus 1 by m. Okay, minus 1 by m value, we got it 1. Answer is minus 1. Let us go to the next problem. The inclination of the tangent at theta equal to pi by 3 on the curve. Okay, let us take the inclination of the tangent alpha. Let alpha be the inclination of the tangent. Okay, first we have to find tan alpha. So tan alpha equal to m. So m is equal to dy by dx, the slope of the tangent, where m is equal to dy by dx, derivative of y given a into 1 plus cos theta by derivative of x value a into theta plus sin theta. Okay, therefore tan alpha equal to, in this a constant, differentiation of 1 0, differentiation of cos theta, we get minus sin theta, a into 0 minus sin theta. So denominator a constant, so differentiation of theta 1 plus differentiation of sin theta is cos theta, so 1 plus cos theta. So with respect to theta derivative, so at theta is equal to, what is given? At theta is equal to pi by 3. Okay, at theta is equal to pi by 3. First write this value minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, okay, we got it minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. So minus sin theta formula 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So denominator 1 plus cos theta, we have formula 2 cos square theta by 2. In this 2 cos theta by 2 get cancelled. Therefore tan alpha equal to minus tan theta by 2. Minus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Okay, minus tan theta by 2. At theta is equal to, what is given? Pi by 3. Okay. So this value will be tan alpha equal to minus tan pi by 3. Tan pi by 3 by 2. This is theta by 2. So this value will be minus tan pi by 6. Therefore tan alpha equal to minus tan theta. Okay. we have one formula minus tan A is equal to tan 180 minus A. Okay, tan 180 minus A. So this can be written as tan 180 minus A. A value pi by 6. So therefore tan alpha is equal to tan of pi minus pi by 6 value 5 pi by 6. Therefore alpha is equal to pi by 6. Okay, this is the inclination of tangent. So alpha is equal to pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, option 4 correct. Option 4 correct. Let us go to the next problem. What is given? If the normal to the curve y is equal to f of x at 3, 4 makes an angle 3 pi by 4 with the x-axis, then we have to find f dash of 3. Okay. So what is given? A normal makes an angle 3 pi by 4 with x-axis. This is nothing but a tangent makes an angle pi by 4 with the x-axis. Okay. So normal makes an angle 3 pi by 4 with the x-axis is nothing but tangent makes an angle pi by 4 with the x-axis. Okay. So slope of tangent m is equal to dy by dx. So what is given? Y value f of x given. Y is equal to f of x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to f dash of x. Okay. So f dash of x. So at point given 3, 4. At the point 3, 4, this value will be f dash of 3. But m value, we have m formula tan theta. Therefore, tan theta equal to f dash of 3. Where theta value pi by 4. Okay. Therefore, tan 45 equal to f dash of 3. Therefore, f dash of 3 is equal to 1. F dash of 3 is equal to 1. Let us go to the next problem. For the curve x equal to t square minus 1, y equal to t square minus t, one condition is also given. Tangent is perpendicular to x-axis. Tangent is perpendicular to x-axis is nothing but tangent is parallel to y-axis. Okay. This is x-axis, y-axis. So what is given? Tangent is perpendicular to x-axis. This is a tangent. Okay, tangent is perpendicular to x-axis means this tangent is parallel to y-axis. Okay, therefore tangent is parallel to y-axis. Okay, tangent, slope of tangent is dy by dx equal to slope of y-axis 1 by 0, undefined. Slope of x-axis 0, slope of y-axis is 1 by 0, undefined. So let us do cross product. Dx is equal to 0. Okay. So derivative of x. What is x given? T square minus 1. Okay, equal to 0. So derivative of t square is 2t into dt equal to 0. Therefore t is equal to 0. T equal to 0. Since dt not equal to 0, so t value must be equal to 0. So first option correct. Let us go to the next problem. The slope of the normal to the curve at the point 3, 1. Okay. First we have to find the slope of the tangent. The slope of the tangent is nothing but dy by dx. So m is equal to dy by dx. This is the slope of tangent. Okay. So what is given curve? 2x square minus xy plus 3y square is equal to 8. Now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. So 2 constant, differentiation of x square, we get 2x minus by using UV formula, x into dy by dx, u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. So x into dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x plus 3 times of differentiation of y square 2y into dy by dx. So 8 constant derivative 0. So differentiation of y square 2y, but y differentiation with respect to x dy by dx, right? Okay, this is 4x minus x dy by dx. Dx get cancelled. Minus into plus minus y plus this is 6y dy by dx equal to 0. Okay. In this one dy by dx take out common. Dy by dx. So dy by dx into this value minus x plus 6y. So this is equal to plus 4x minus y, bring the right side, y minus 4x. Because therefore dy by dx is equal to y minus 4x by minus x plus 6y. Okay, dy by dx value, we got it. What is our target? The slope of normal at 3, 1. First, we have to find the slope of tangent at 3, 1. So at 3, 1, slope of tangent equal to, on xy placing 3, 1 substitute in this one. Y minus 4 into 3 by minus 3 plus 6 into 1. This value will be minus 11 by 3. Okay. But required the slope of normal. This value formula, slope of normal formula minus 1 by m. So minus 1 by m value, right, minus 11 by 3. Okay, this is nothing but 3 by 11. So which option is correct? Second option correct. Okay, moving on, next question. The equation of tangent to the curve. One curve is given at the point where the curve cuts the y-axis. Okay, this curve cuts the y-axis. On y-axis, x coordinate 0. Okay, so what is given? Y is equal to 1 minus e to the power x by 2. 1 minus e to the power, right, x place in 0. So this is 1 minus e to the power 0. E to the power 0 value 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, anything power 0 is 1. So what is the point? If x value is 0, then y value also 0. 0 and 0. What is our target? The equation of tangent. The equation of tangent formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, already we got it, point x1, y1. Next our target is slope of tangent. Okay, this is the point, this is the origin. So what is given? Y is equal 1 minus e to the power x by 2. Now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. Differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. Differentiation of 1, 0. Differentiation of e to the power x by 2, e to the power x by 2 into derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2. Okay, at 0, 0, we have to find slope of tangent. 1 minus x place and right 0, 0 minus, okay, minus e to the power 0 into 1 by 2. This is minus 1 by 2. So m value minus 1 by 2. Therefore the equation of tangent y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is x1, y1. Direct substitute in this one. Y minus y1 0, m into x minus x1. Okay, 2y is equal minus x. Therefore x plus 2y equal to 0. Second option correct. Okay, look at the next question. The equation of normal at t is equal pi by 2 to the given curve x is equal 2 sin t and y is equal to 2 cos t. Okay, the equation of normal, we have y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. That is equation of normal formula. Okay, first we have to find slope of tangent. So m is equal to dy by dx. So derivative of y value given 2 cos t, derivative of x value 2 sin t. In this 2 constant, differentiation of cos t minus sin t, in denominator 2 constant, differentiation of sin t is cos t. This will be minus tan t. Okay. What is this dy by dx value? At t is equal to pi by 2. At t is equal to pi by 2, this value will be m is equal to minus tan 90. This is infinity 1 by 0. Okay. So our target is point x1 y1 point. At t is equal to pi by 2, x value, then x is equal to 2 sin t, y is equal to 2 cos t. Okay. So at t is equal to pi by 2, this value will be x is equal to 2 sin 90. 2 sin 90 value 1. This is sin 90 value 1. This is 2. So 2 cos 90. This is 0. So point is 2 comma 0. We have point 20 and slope m is equal 1 by 0. Therefore the equation of normal, this formula is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Okay. This is the equation of normal formula. In this formula, substitute on x1 y1 place in 20 and m place in 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means this is infinity. So y minus y1, y minus 0 is equal to minus 1 by m value infinity into x minus 2. Okay. So 1 by infinity value 0. 0 into anything 0. So answer is y equal to 0. Let us go to the next problem. If the slope of tangent to the curve y equal to x cube at a point on it is equal to the y coordinate, ordinate of the point. So ordinate is nothing but y coordinate. Okay, what is given? The slope of the tangent. So dy by dx equal to y coordinate of the point is y. Okay. So derive d by dx of what is y value given from statement x cube given is equal to x cube. So differentiation of x cube is 3x square is equal to x cube. When x square get cancelled, x is equal to 3. If x value 3, then find out y value. If x is equal to 3, y value x cube given. So this is equal to 27. What is the point? 327. Second option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. The slope of tangent to the curve, xy values are given at the point 2 minus 1. Okay. Our target is the slope of the tangent dy by dx. So derivative of what is y given? 2t square minus 2t minus 5 by derivative of x value given 3 square t square plus 3t minus 8. Okay, now derivative of in 2 constant, derivative of t square is 2t, differentiation of 2t is 2 into 1, minus 5 derivative 0. Okay, right, denominator, derivative of t square 2t, differentiation of 3t is 3. Okay. First our target is the value of t. So what is the point given? At point 2 minus 1. So first one is x coordinate, second one is y coordinate. Therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1. Where x value from statement what is given? T square plus 3t minus 8. Y value 2t square minus 2t minus 5. Okay. So let us take equation 1 and equation 2. So by elimination method, first we have to find t value. So first equation multiplied by 2. Okay. Second equation multiplied by 1. 4 is equal to 2t square plus 6t minus 16. Okay, this right as it is. 2t square minus 2t minus 5. Okay. So let us do subtraction. This is 5 is equal, 2t square get cancelled, 80 minus 11. Therefore 16 is equal to 80, t is equal to t value we got it 2. So t value 2 substitute in this slope of tangent. Okay, so from equation 1, okay, at t is equal to 2, we have to find slope of tangent. So this is 4t, 4 into 2 minus 2 by 2 into 2 plus 3. This value will be 8 minus 2, 6, 6 by 7. So 6 by 7 correct answer. Okay, I am going to explain question number 10. The slope of the normal to the curve at A and B. Okay. First, what is the slope of normal? The slope of normal is denoted by minus 1 by m. First, we have to find the slope of tangent. So this is the given curve. So differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So in this 1 by a to the power 4 constant, 1 by a to the power 4 constant, x to the power 4, differentiation of x to the power 4, 4x cube. In this 1 by b to the power 4 constant, differentiation of y to the power 4, 4y cube into dy by dx equal to 0, constant derivative 0. Okay. So this value bring the right side, 1 by b to the power 4 into 4y cube dy by dx equal to minus 4x cube by a to the power 4. Both side 4 get cancelled. Okay, dy by dx will be, okay, let us do cross product, minus b power 4 x cube by a to the power 4 y cube. This is dy by dx. We have to find the slope of tangent at AB. So at AB, on xy place in a and b, substitute in this one, minus b to the power 4, a place in that a cube by a power 4 into, where y coordinate is b cube. In this one a cube, one b cube get cancelled, minus b by a. So minus b by a, what is minus b by a? Slope of tangent. But what is required? The slope of normal. Okay. The slope of normal. The slope of normal formula minus 1 by m. So m value, we got it minus b by a. So minus 1 by m value minus b by a. This will be a by b. So a by b correct answer, fourth option. Let us go to the next problem. The slope of tangent to the curve y is equal to 8 by 4 plus x square at x is equal to 2. Okay. We have to find slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is dy by dx. So m is equal to dy by dx. So d by dx of what is y given? 8 by 4 plus x square. Okay. Now I say that slope of tangent m is equal to d by dx of, in this 8 constant, differentiation of 1 by 4 plus x square. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. 1 by 4 plus x square is minus 1 by 4 plus x square whole square into the differentiation of 4, 0. Differentiation of x square is 2x. So by using chain rule. Okay, this will be minus 16x by 4 plus x square whole square. At x is equal to 2, we have to find slope of tangent. Expression 2, right? Okay, minus 32 by, this value will be 8 square 64. So answer is minus 1 by 2. So second option correct. Okay, thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.